Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanMuscle.com. Today we're taking a quick look at and installing the Trufiber carbon fiber coin tray available for the 15 to 18 GT, V6, and EcoBoost Mustang. If you're the owner of that S550, you might be looking to get a splash of carbon fiber for your interior to beef up that styling, give it that luxury look and feel with something as simple as this coin tray. This particular one is made from real, true carbon fiber materials. It's got a gloss finish and it's got a really clean weave. Personally, I think this looks really good with the interior black like we have here in our GT. Now, getting it installed is super simple. It takes less than a minute. Anybody can tackle it at home. That's why it gets 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. This one here comes in right about 50 bucks. So in my opinion, it's worthwhile if you really like the look of that carbon fiber and you want that for the interior of your own S550. Now, to get this installed, it's really as simple as lifting up on the lip of the rubber coin tray, taking this, slipping it right into place, and snapping it down. It's really that simple. Anybody can do it, less than a minute's worth of install as you just saw me do it. You can set this in your center console, your glove box, or toss it out if you want. But either way, it's as simple as that. You can pick yours up for your own S550 right here at AmericanMuscle.com.